Okay, I just started recording, so haven't played this game before, I think. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't played this game before. I think. Oh, nah. Who's that? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. My bad, bro. Got. God dang. Bro might be UG. Whoo. I'm about to crash out. Come here. Chill.
Stop.
He just disappeared.
Die.
I feel like I played this game before, but at the same time, I feel like I haven't.
Where? What? Where did he come from?
Oh, Stevenson screen. I played a Dragon Ball game and I was talking about Jujutsu Kaisen, so I might as well play a Jujutsu Kaisen game, you know.
Yeah, you are.
Somebody's already been here. I should retrace my steps. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National.
Swept my whole family died before my eyes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Chat, am I cooked? And another rogue sorcerer. I don't think these are sorcerers, bro. I try to punch. Nani? Oh. Dog, this is not a sorcerer. We're throwing hands. This is just hands throwing, bro. There is nothing magic going on about this. This is just pure fighting. Oh dang, I got that range. Oh shoot! Help! Maharaga! Oh, oh, there you. Shit, he's flying! Is that Gojo? No, that's Gojo, bro. What did I say? Doc got me flying back.
Yeah, you probably.
That was not a tutorial. I got folded, bro. If the railing disappeared when I got hit, my back would have bent both ways. It would have folded backwards and broken my back and then sprung back and folded the other way. I would have been cooked. 4 eyes, 2 eyes. This looks like a Rubik's Cube. If all the sides weren't the same. Prison room. We might as well just wait for this because I'm not trying to. Lose any mechanics. If you can an entire minute to respond.
No.
Almost done. I'm glad that I started when I'm young, cause
Told you to step it up.
when I grow up, I probably have a lot more views than I have now. Guess those are real. Yep, curses are created by the culmination of negative thoughts being manifested. Our jobs as Jujutsu sorcerers are to exercise these curses. Jujutsu sorcerer? I'm so confused. I can't remember anything.
Carry with me still?
Yeah, I'm not too sure how you even ended up here. Seems like you hit your head and lost your memories. Regardless, you can see these curses, so you have the affinity to become a sorcerer like myself. Really? I can do that giant red blast you used? Well, aren't you an eager one? Slow down, you'll learn soon. First, you'll need to officially become a sorcerer. Go get stronger and meet me at Jujutsu Tech when you're ready for your
Why would you
entrance
go away from
exams.
it? Get away from
Alright, I'll get stronger. When you're ready, check your cell phone. And you just check your check your cell phone in your inventory. It'll have the address of Jujutsu High, but you can address to it as you unlock more. You gotta get your bread up for that. Bro did not have to. Bro did not need to say bread. He could have just said money. Get to work, kid. Since when is Gojo light skin? Okay.
Oh, you're too far.
Jaquavius? Okay. Oh, these delinquents took over the field again. I'm trying to train to be a striker and win the World Cup.
What is she doing?
World Cup. Am I in the wrong anime? Huh? Anyway, can you knock some heads up over there so to clear off the field? Yeah, I got you. Thank you. Bro said handle it yourself. I almost clicked that. I really wanted to click that. Come at me. Is that like a black flash meter or something? Come on.
Guys.
God dang. Okay, I see you. God.
Should I go Ryan?
I do not see him actually.
Maybe? Yeah, I will.
Well,
definitely.
level
Yeah,
1,
Ryan
alright.
and then that's the game. How are you up there? Get down here!
Bro attacked first and got hit. Wait.
Can I get out of my face, dude?
Wait, can I?
Come here, Mercy, I dare you. Come here.
Okay. Block! Come at me. Bro, I can literally just spam that.
Down here. Come here.
Never mind.
Come here.
I block! 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 Bet. Please. God dang. I gotta unlock my black flash,
Oh,
chat.
shatter.
Or at least get some abilities. Please! Please! Oh my god. I'm still alive. Please! Please! Ah, full meter, whatever that means. Oh my god. Bro, they're still there? Listen, I'm trying, bro. No! Let me kill him! I don't know what he just did. Oh. Team combo. Team combo. Oh yeah. Help! Thank you. Oh my. Jaquavius quest has been completed. I am nowhere near level 20. It's gonna take a lot of grind.
What?
I think I'm just gonna get like level 15,
Heck yeah.
and then I think I'm gonna do like a 20-minute video at least. So I'll stay a little 10 minutes, get to like level like 6, get that groove. I can't block, bro. God dang. Ooh. Chill. Do I like? Oh, he's dead. How do I do that slam I did? How did I do that? I don't even know. Oh, must have a wiki.
Hey, Life Weaver, there's a...
Oh, skill tree.
Yeah, alright.
How many do I have? Okay. Melee proficiency. What's this? Weapon. No. First energy. Mode. What is mode? Defeat Fingerbeard. Oh my god. What is this then? Okay, so those are like abilities. Is there any like abilities when you go farther around? Curtain? Type in of a player's name to release a curtain that will keep you and the player from leaving or entering the curtain.
How did he get the both of us?
2 skill points, grade 4. Energy siphon. Below main. Okay. Weapon proficiency. I think I'll learn this one.
I'm not getting up right, okay?
Energy surge. Sturdiness? Like get sturdy? I'm not just gonna like get sturdy. What is a camel?
No,
What can I do with this? Flowing red skill, 10 skill points.
Stop!
Okay.
You guys
Oh, it's
don't
awakening.
anything. You guys are such losers.
And I don't know what these are. Okay.
Ha
I'm about to go crazy. Let me cook.
Why are you ulting me?
Come here. Oh my god. Oh! Searing blow. I just. Oh my god.
Can I get a mercy, please, guys? I want That'd be so cool.
Come here. There you go. Nothing on me. Oh! Feels like a freaking boxing game.
No, please.
I tried to block.
Ah! Oh my god.
He did. One more. You about to get the searing blow. Pause. Oh, it's like a combo extender. Oh, depending on how many like. Oh. Depending on how many punches you have. That's that. Let me stop talking. I can't believe it. I just said it like 4 times in a row. Please. Oh, 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 oh. Balls broke flying. I tried to block, I swear. Why did he? Why? He really could have killed me right there. Oh, shoot. Please! Please! Bro, I hear my heart beating, bro. How many? One? Dog, I leveled up like 3 times. Curse energy 2. Curse energy 3. And then I can go keep doing that. Then I can get that, which costs 2. And I can get that. And then activate a surge in cursed energy increases your cursed energy output by 30% and a 20% damage reduction from all attacks. What about this one? Focus your cursed energy to pinpoint the energy of everyone and all key items near you. Okay. What about my clan? I don't even have enough. Why am I going over there? What? Oh yeah, what are those? Glass cannon packs. Binding vow. For 5 seconds, take twice as much damage, but do twice as much cursed energy damage. No. Hurricane Hanson? Okay, I'm seeing a lot. Destroy my enemies, and my technique is yours. For 5 seconds, your melee damage does 2 times percentage damage, but you can't use any skills. Virtual conversions. Trade 20% of your health for 50% cursed energy. Is there any? Oh, dang. Let me breathe. Chill. Why did I just wasted my day. Okay, this one is just spam slamming. I'll show you spam. Ooh, team combo? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, he sent him up. Shoot. Oh my god, he team comboed us. And he doesn't even have a team. W.
Oh my god, thank you. Yeah,
Help! Maharaga! Chat. Triple team. Oh, never mind. Get him. Am I in the wrong? That gets me every time, bro. Yeah, I got you. Level 20. I got a level 10. This might be a 25-minute video. Oh shoot! Help! Come back! Help! Help! Help me! Help! Nah, you really thought. Oh dang, I can really combo with that. chill. Chill. I forgot this isn't Star's Battlegrounds. Oh, chill. Never mind. Come back. So, Gojo! Oh yeah, you got that. No! I was gonna pass it to you! This is insane. Did I kill him? Oh yeah, I'm built different. Reverse curse technique. Wait, let me see if any of these other buttons do anything. Nope, not just, that's just that. Okay, let me see. Do I have anything? iPhone, J-phone, GP. Bro. Quester? Prepare for the Jujutsu exams? Handle the... Okay. Training arc is crazy. Jujutsu maps. Tag. Yeah, I'm right here. Don't. Wait, it's all the way over there?
Stop jumping.
Oh, I don't have my fist out.
He scares me.
Oh, I didn't realize that's what that is. Oh, shoot. Why am I? Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, beat him up. Oh. Oh, we're flying. Dang! Hell! This is sad. Oh my god. Help him. Oh, let me help you. I don't think he realized I was trying to help him. I'm getting teamed! Thank you. Alright, let's go. That's not how you do it. Ow! Oh my god, wait, this one is actually... Oh! Oh, shoot. Ow. Come on, show us what you got. Alright, let me go get a new quest. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna wait for him so he can... Oh, you're going to Gojo? Or like, where is he going? Oh, what? Who is that? Shh, keep it down. Who's Masuda? Captain of the Little White Guns. They all follow his lead in the worst of them all. He's an animal. One time I saw him breaking a blind kid's glasses. Why would a blind kid need glasses? That's beside the point. I've been hearing about you around campus, that you're pretty strong. Can you go take care of Medusa? Matsuda? I'll do it. Thank you. I'll cheer for you. I'll cheer you on from the bushes. Oh, that dude? Oh, I bet. He's not even that strong. Delinquent captain? Get away from my friend. Okay, where's delinquent? Delinquent? Where's the delinquent captain though? Where is he? Oh. Chill! I just got up. Bro. Bet. Woohoo! Ow. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, he's dead. Is that the captain right there? I don't think that's the captain. Bro, chill. Chill. Where is he? Where's the captain? Oh, that's the captain? Oh, alright.
You shall die beneath the feet of the horde. Yeah, you tell him.
Oh, I can literally just go over here. It's not that high. Oh, shoot. Wait. I changed my mind. I've heard you're pretty strong. Oh, bro got launched up. If you could spam that ability, you could literally just juggle. Chill! Why are you got... Help. Help me. Help me. Oh no! Please! Dog, he stabbed me in the chest. He stabbed me in the chest. I can't breathe. I still gotta do the Quavius's quest. But first, I'm gonna do... Where am I? Oh, there we go. I was gonna say, where my UI go? Predicted. Oh, I did it. The rice. You killed him. Hey, yo, King. I heard. Oh, that's not King. My bad. My bad. No, that's not King either. I don't think the King is over here. My bad. My bad. Stop chasing me. My bad. Oh, the King must be over there. Literally. Right there. Baker's new recipe is all the rage right now. What are you talking about? That's not a real person. Why is he? Is that you, sir? Nope. Where's the King? I swear he's gonna be in like the most obvious spot, and I'm just gonna be like, where is he? Where is he? Where actually is he though? Gojo. Meet me at... I know. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Thank you. Where is he? I don't see no King. What did it say if he was the king? If he was the king? Or like... This is like one of these guys. Because I'm not... Let me take out my phone, bro. What is... Okay, that's just a normal, like, iPhone. What is this? Jesus. I'm already here. I mean, Quester. No, I'm just gonna do the storyline. Prepare for the JUJUTSU exams. Oh, my bad. Press check. I honestly cannot find Matsusa, whatever his name is. Like, is he in the building? Like,
Oh, she's won. Just die already. I hate you.
where is he? I really don't know where he is. Oh, it's the CV screen. Is this like, open it? No? Is this? No, that's definitely not him. Laura? He there. I'm good on that, little bro. Get out of my face. Bro, I'm about to... I woke up. Bro. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I need this. Where is he? I need this. Help. Where is he? I need this. He's not here. That's it. Chill. Chill. I'd even... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Chill. Chill. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that doesn't do. Ow. Fist mastery 10. Okay. Where is he? I need this. He'll respawn in like 20 minutes. Oh, that's a Jokovius question. Where? Okay.
Why I can't jump?
Ding shala, ding 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 shala, ding 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 ding. King Shala. Ding 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 ding. Oh my god. He's dead. Alright, everyone is respawning except for him. I might have to go into a different server. I think I'm just gonna go into a different server. Yeah, because that's the only thing I can think of.
You got it?
Oh, it is the release. So maybe,
Okay.
bro, just skip it, bro. This is the road to craziest, bro. I feel like this guy. Okay, never mind. Let me not say that. Let me not finish that sentence. Bro, please. No! No! Skip. I don't care. Who the heck is you? Who the heck is you? Oh, I know who you are. Never mind. Sitting there, huh? Get in the car, please. Thanks for the please. Thank you. Now he should be here. Yes! Finally! There's this man. Come here, catch the smoke, boy. Oh, he's targeting me now. Let's see how tough you really are. You just got one punch, that's that. Like, at least get comboed than die. Like, one punch is just set. Just keep it down. Help Medusa. I don't care. I can't say Medusa, bro. I just said Medusa. Do I have like 2 now? 3. Golly. I'm gonna wait till I get 5 or like 10 so I can get my clan ability. Bro is not doing this. Oh. Nah. Gang on him! Help! Neko! Oh. Chill! Get on that ground. Yeah, he did. King Shala. Ding 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 ding. King Shala. Shh. Oh, my bad. Oh, never mind. I'll cheer you on from the bushes. Hurry up. King Shala. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. Help! Bro just wasted his evasive. I'm not even trying to fight, bro. Help! Help! Medusa's the one you came for! Why are you not helping me? Oh, bro got blocked. Help! Please! 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 Okay. And then I just get comboed. Help! Oh my god, right, I was so high up in the sky, bro. Ding chala. Ding ding.
Lucky Eva again? Just again?
Okay, that one's dead. Dang. Oh. King Shala, ding 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 ding. King Shala, ding 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 ding. I said no. He said thank you. Please. Oh, Clash. Help! Thank you. Help! Help! Bro, I can't. I can't. I think I'm gonna die. I mean, like, he's dying quick, but like, bro. Next thing you know, bro's gonna start boxing me. Come at me. You ain't got nothing on me. Please. Oh. Level 11. Oh, this video about to be an hour, bro. I didn't even. 25 minutes ago, I said, no, 20 minutes ago, I said, I think this is gonna be actually a 25-minute video. It ends up being 42 minutes. No, matter of fact, 43. Okay, until we get to level 15, bro. Until we get to level 15. That's all I need. Oh my god, he's just getting bombarded. Let this man chill. Let this man chill. Mo just got killed by 5 people. Let him chill. It's gonna be quick if we keep doing that. Thank you. I'll cheer you on from the bushes. Let me go! Why is there just an NPC staring at him? I thought it was an actual player. I need help with this. I don't really need help, but like, he's gonna get boxed if I do. Okay, I just got us both killed. Help! Help! Oh my god! Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Next hit. I might be able to get a level. I might be able to get a level 20. At this rate. It's gonna be like 46 minutes in total. Help me, bro. Block. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh, thank you. There's a third person. Oh my god. I don't know who I just dodged, but I dodged. Level 13. Oh yeah, we're definitely giving to level 20 at this rate. Let's just get a level 15. I'll make it part 2 later. After this, if you guys really want me to, if people even saw my Dragon Ball video yet, then I'll make another part on that. And if not, if this gets a lot of views, then I'll just make another part on this. Because I really like this one. Probably more than the Dragon Ball one. Oh my god. Help him! Help me! Oh, I just made that guy just get killed. Yes, sir. I know I just completed this quest, so let me... Remember when I said this video was going to be 46 minutes? It's not going to be 46 minutes. The last part. King Shala. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Okay, he just got absolutely blocked the heck out of. This man is in tears. Oh, okay. Bro, we got 4 people on this guy. 3 people actually. But still, he's getting dogged on. He's kinda trash. No, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I'm cooked.